Are you tired of day-to-day drudgery at the office? Would you rather be out hiking in nature, enjoying your time to yourself? Or maybe you would rather just play with filters and see how you look with blue hair?
Then you, like me, welcome the rise of our robot overlords. Let's embrace the AI revolution and learn to be more effective and efficient at our jobs through the use of automated technology. But let's also make sure we do it in a trustworthy manner and compliant with the rapidly changing global regulatory landscape for artificial intelligence. Come to my presentation on why our robot overlords need a lawyer and get some practical tips on how to develop and implement policies and administrative documentation. Yeah, there's going to be documentation regarding your AI programs so that you can develop them in order to be compliant with the law. Thanks. We'll see you in Hawaii.